Hi guys, it's Miranda. Welcome to my channel. I am back with another recipe for Monday, and this one is for a keto friendly, low carb chocolate chip cookies. So that's what we're going to make, and then I have everything all kind of measured out to save time, but we'll tell you what I'm putting in there. Alright, so first we're going to beat our eggs. We have in this bowl 2 eggs. We're just going to beat our eggs a minute. If you don't use fresh eggs, if you've never had a fresh eggs, I highly recommend it. They are worth the extra money if you can find them. Then in this bowl, I have my coconut oil, 3/4 cup of coconut oil. Melted, yeah, melted. Alright, then next is 1 stick of butter.
That was the big one. I thought I saw one. You probably should have melted it.
I'm sorry if you can't hear me. The mixer can be kind of loud sometimes. Alright, then we also are going to add 3/4 cup of Truvia sugar. So that's what it looks like. I hope you can see it. It's a naturally sweet sweetener. Maddie, why don't you get me a spatula, silicone spatula. Next, so we have 3/4. He's a little loud. 3/4 cup of the Truvia. It is a different flavor than regular sugar, but these cookies, if you make them with sugar-free chocolate chips, then they are only 1 carb per cookie. Now, we could not find any of the sugar-free chocolate chips, so we got semi-sweet, and they do have some carbs, but we're not going to be adding a lot. My butter, y'all, wasn't quite soft enough. So, kind of got stuck in my whisk there. We're all in our comfy clothes. It's about 45 degrees in Nebraska today. So, I decided it's my day off and I don't want to put on jeans. I did put on some makeup for you guys. Alright. Turn that up. I got Maddie here to test them for us, see if they are kid approved. Always lock the mixer. Alright. Much better. All right. So in this big bowl, I have 3 cups of the blanched almond flour. So I'm going to add a little bit at a time. Your almond flour is a little coarser. I don't know if you can see, but it's got the a mealier consistency than a regular flour does. I did them off again. It's shaping up like cookies. I always try to make the kids something at the beginning of the week for an after-school snack. Sometimes I do. Last week I did the Libby's pumpkin spice loaf, and they liked it. And it was not keto-free, and I did not eat, or low-carb, and I did not eat it. But he said it was good. They ate it all. The 2 loaves of the pumpkin bread, and it was just a box kit that I got from Walmart. Alright, put the rest of my flour in there. What are y'all doing on your Monday? Or any day, whatever day you're watching this. I'm always off on Monday, so that's the day that my family gets a home-cooked meal from me. Unless I cook something before I go to work. Alright. The next thing you're going to add is your salt, and it's a half a teaspoon of salt. I didn't measure it, but it is supposed to be a half teaspoon. And a half a teaspoon of your baking soda. And then the last thing is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. If you've watched anything else that I've cooked, you know that this is absolutely, positively my favorite vanilla. If you're baking and you don't do anything else, use a good vanilla if you can find one. This is a Mexican vanilla that we always get when we go to Mexico, but the Watkins brand is really good as well.
We got this a year ago and it's still half full.
Yeah, we got that last 2 years.
2 years?
It's been 2 years since we went on our last cruise, so we're gonna be taking another one. I just dropped cookie dough in my coffee. Okay. That's what I get for having the coffee there.
No longer sugar-free coffee.
Alright, and then we're
I
just
thought we were going to put them on coffee.
adding a couple. And then we might add some to the top. Since we could not find the sugar-free. If you find sugar-free chocolate chips, tell me where you find them, because Walmart did not have them. At our Walmart, they didn't.
That's good.
Alright, so let's see how these do. I have the oven set at 350 degrees, and we'll cook them, and we'll come back and let you see what the finished product is and see if Matthew likes the keto low carb chocolate chip cookies. We'll be right back. All right, so I have the kids here, and we'll find out if the low carb, keto friendly chocolate chip cookies are a keeper or not. So we're gonna let them each try one and see if they will eat the rest of them that were baked, or if we're gonna throw them away and try a different cookie recipe. So y'all have to give your honest opinion, okay? This is for all of YouTube. So it would really stink if they made terrible cookies. All right? All right, who's going first? Maddie? All right, they pointed at the youngest, so go ahead. Give your honest review. Yeah?
I think they're okay. Just, you can really taste that almond flour.
Okay.
You know?
So they're just okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, go ahead, Haley.
They're kind of like crummy in your mouth.
Uh-huh. Crumbly, yeah.
Mm-hmm. But not bad.
Okay. All right, go ahead, Austin.
I like them.
You like them?
Yeah.
You think they're good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so on a scale from 1 to 10, should YouTube Nation, should they feed these to their kids? On a scale from 1 to 10, what do you think, Matt? Matt is 14.
6.
Okay, so Matt's 14, and he says a 6 on a scale from 1 to 10. And Haley is 19. That's Austin's girlfriend, so...
I would say a 7 or an 8.
A 7 or an 8, okay? And then Austin?
Probably an 8.
An 8, okay. So they're not a perfect 10 cookie, but I think if they were the consensus, there's the bird. Look at that, y'all. We have a little parrot.
See what he thinks of the cookie?
See if he thinks of the cookie.
No.
Goodbye. All right, so on a scale from 1 to 10, I think that if they were the only sweet thing in the house, or maybe even the only thing in the house, then they wouldn't starve, they would eat them. We might try a different one, but I don't think for a low carb cookie that they have, I think, 1 carb each. Those might have a little more because I couldn't find sugar-free, or my husband couldn't find sugar-free chocolate chips. But, I think that they're just okay. So try them if you will. And, yeah. All right. Come back next week for another episode of what we're going to feed our kids for snack. That is, it might be healthy. I think since last week I did a non-healthy and this week I did a healthy, that I'm probably going to go back and make them something healthy or non-healthy. But, all right. Thanks for watching our channel, and we will see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.